So guys, if you're anything like me, you want to know what goes into your deodorant, and most of the stuff written in here, I can't even pronounce them. So guys, I figured it'd be a great idea to show you guys how to make your own DIY underarm deodorant with natural products. So without further ado, this is me making my own DIY underarm deodorant. So for this DIY, you're going to need some organic shea butter. You're also going to need coconut oil, organic coconut oil. And you're going to need some arrowroot powder. So this arrowroot powder I got from eBay. You will also need some perfume or natural scents. So here I'm using this Opium Noir perfume that I got from eBay. If you don't want to use a perfume, you can use essential oils, and they smell quite nice as well, but I wanted like a perfumed feel to my deodorant, and I really love Opium scent. Like, oh my god, they're my favorite. So you also need baking soda for this DIY, and you need a mixing bowl, and finally you need an empty deodorant stick. So you can use an empty one that you've used before, or you can get brand new containers. I got this from eBay, and they were a pack of 10 for about £2.99, so it was super cheap. And they're so cute as well and easy to use, guys. Like, I love them. So next, we're going to go ahead now and work on our ingredients. So you're going to take 2 tablespoonful of coconut oil and put this in your bowl. And then you're going to add 2 tablespoonful of organic shea butter. You can decide to melt the coconut oil and the shea butter before adding it to your mix, or you can do it this way. Either way is okay. And next, you want to add 2 tablespoonful of arrowroot powder. So what I didn't want is to have powder all over my floor and my carpet, so I used this little cover here to put it, but it is the equivalent of 2 tablespoonful of arrowroot powder. Next, I added 2 tablespoonful of baking soda. And now, guys, it's time to add your perfume. And I would recommend you use about 5 to 10 mils of perfume. So here I'm using about 10 mils of perfume, but you can use 5, for that way the deodorant is going to smell really good and the scent is going to last for longer. So what I did next was put my bowl in a pot of boiling water for about 2 to 3 minutes. And this is just to enable everything to melt. And then I poured it in a jug. And the reason I'm pouring it in a jug is because if you have a funnel, then you don't need to pour it in a jug. You can just pour it directly into your deodorant stick. But I don't have a funnel, so I'm using my jug to pour it in the stick. So yeah, so as you can see here, I'm pouring the mixture in my stick. And in total, guys, this whole mix made about 7 to 8 sticks of deodorant. And this is going to last me a while. And the next step now is just to go ahead and put it in your refrigerator to cool down for about 2 to 4 hours. And then, guys, you have yourself this beautiful homemade deodorant stick, guys. I love it. So that's all from me, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. And guys, let me just tell you, this underarm deodorant smells like heaven. Like, I'm not exaggerating. It's not because I'm doing this video or because I own this video. Like, honestly, guys, I used this on my underarm early this morning and I can still smell fresh. Like, this is just amazing. But anyways, guys, that's all I've got for you. Thank you so much for watching. If you managed to do this DIY yourself, and please let me know in the comment box below. I really want to give you a shout out because I think it's really great that we should encourage each other to do DIYs like this. But thank you guys so much for watching, and yes, don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you can get some really good videos like this. And yes, that's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I can't wait to see you in my next video. Goodbye.